Hi guys, it's Auto Sloth here and welcome to another video. Today we're going to do my first Diecast unboxing. And here it is. It is his Denny Hamlin throwback that he used at Sonoma to honor DW and at Darlington because throwback weekend. I got a hood with it. This is actually my first Denny Hamlin diecast, but I think I'm going to like it. It's free hood. This is Wave 12, so you also have the 51 truck. That's Kyle Busch's. Byron Stars and Stripes. Trux's Kyle Busch's Auto Club win. Logano's Las Vegas win. Jones's Stanley car. This Bubba's and Chase's Hooters Give a Hoot pink car. So, let's open it. Here we go. I'm not sure if this is obvious, but I'm a very messy diecast opener. No, I do keep most of the boxes, so sometime I might show you all the diecast boxes I have. Okay, so we have this almost open now. Here we go. So I'm going to take out the little piece of plastic. Let's first look at the hood. So FedEx Racing 11. I like the Toyota logo on the bottom, but besides that, it's a pretty basic hood. Let's put it right here. So now the car. I think that this looks nice. So you've got the beautiful varying colors, the nice white, clean Toyota nose. And you have like the black back that always makes me think of like Matty D. He's 95 car, but I think it's cool. I'm looking forward to using this in some of our stop motion videos. So you'll see more of this, but for now, that's pretty much all I'm going to say about this car. I like that this is, it's my third throwback because you've got the Byron throwback, and I also have a Truex throwback from 2016. Also, comment down below if I should do stop motion Eldora, if I should use the 78 car, so we'll have a 21 car field. Because that's a car that I have that I don't really use in stop motion videos because it's not a number that's ran anymore, but if you guys want me to use it in one of my videos, I totally will. So that pretty much concludes this video. This is just a short diecast review. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, makes me feel really good. There will be an adorable little sloth on the left of your screen. You can click to subscribe, and this is Auto Sloth signing off.